EVO PRO welding torches tested at BOMAG, Fronius TPS with CMT functionality, Migalco's roller-guided wire feed hose Rolliner XL2, CLOOS all-in-one at Atmos, Geha B.V optimizes production processes with EWM Xnet, Aluminium Suppliers Directory 2017. Welcome to DVS-TV International News. Binzel's new EVO PRO welding torches were thoroughly tested for industrial applications by the compaction machine manufacturer BOMAG. The new air and liquid-cooled torches were used in the field of steel construction in various welding cells designed for complex components with a sheet thickness between 3 and 100 mm. Rear frames for waste compactors and single drum rollers, as well as rear doors and doors for pivot steered tandem rollers, are produced there. Constant changes of the position and occasionally difficult accessibility during welding put heavy stress on the wrists of the welders. The EVO PRO torches have an ergonomic handle for maximum handling comfort. The button position and shape, as well as the highly flexible ball joint, offer optimal support for every welding application. The air-cooled welding torches are equipped with weight-reduced cable assemblies. The liquid-cooled torches offer process reliability and power reserve through an optimized cooling concept. After the first test period, the welders at BOMAG agree that the new EVO PRO welding torches from Binzel are a good investment. With the new TPS CMT welding system, Fronius is combining the smart functions of its latest power source platform with the advantages of the most stable welding process. The centerpiece of the TPS CMT is the new and improved pull-MIG welding torch. It is lighter, more robust and more durable than its predecessor. Fronius has optimized the wire feed by adding a dynamic and precise servo motor. This allows the push-pull welding torch to work in perfect harmony with the TPS's rapid arc control. The CMT welding process significantly reduces the heat input in comparison to other MIG-MAG processes. This results in spatter-free material transfer, yielding optimal welding results. The process offers advantages when joining different materials, for example steel and aluminium, as well as sheets of a lighter gauge. The TPS CMT is designed for all types of materials and can produce sheet joints in thicknesses from 0.5 to 6 mm. Existing TPS power sources, which already have the standard and pulse function packages installed, can easily be upgraded for the CMT process. The Rolliner XL2 is the improved continuation of MIG-weld's successful roller-guided wire feed hose. The individual elements contain a pair of rollers and are connected to one another via joints. Each element is turned by 90 degrees to the adjacent element, whereby the welding wire is guided entirely by rollers. Thus, the friction is significantly reduced in comparison to conventional wire guide hoses. Between the individual pairs of rollers, there is a conical guide which, during threading, leads the wire to the next pair of rollers. This ensures trouble-free threading over narrow radii. Due to its low friction, the Rolliner XL2 allows significantly longer wire runs between the payoff pack and the wire feeder. Please note that since January 1st, MIG-Weld International has been called Migalco. The distribution of the products of MIG-Weld SAS, Longwick, as well as all other products and activities will remain unchanged. Atmos, the Czech specialist in solid fuel boiler production, aims at delivering an optimal price-performance ratio for its customers. Since 2015, two Kerox all-in-one systems, by CLOOS have been used to weld boilers and have significantly expanded the company's production capacity. In the Kerox all-in-one system, the workpiece positioner, the robot and the robot positioner become one. The individual components are mounted and aligned on a base plate. This allows fast and economical installation and makes any further fine adjustments unnecessary. The heart of the identical systems is the Kerox QRC350 welding robot. The C-shaped frame with a rotating extension arm positions the robot overhead. This increases the working envelope of the robot and facilitates the welding of the complex boilers. The workpiece positioner with turning and swiveling movements and a vertical stroke always brings the workpieces into the perfect welding position. Atmos uses exclusively CLOOS robots for its welding processes. The company especially values the fast service at CLOOS Prague and the support which CLOOS offers in the training of Atmos staff. The Dutch company Geha B.V manufactures fans, ventilator covers and steel structures for heat. Since March 2016, Geha has now used EWM Xnet modular quality management software to optimize its production processes. The first module of Xnet continuously tracks and documents all the welding parameters which are crucial for the welding process. Before the first module was installed, Geha linked together 5 of its welding machines, one of which dates from 2002. Geha uses EWM Xnet to log all the data for the 5 welding machines completely automatically online. The data can be used at any time to prove that the stipulated parameter settings were adhered to during production and that the required level of quality has been attained. Further analysis of the data can help to identify measures which could result in more economically viable production. After the successful test run of Module 1, Geha is looking forward to implementing the second module, the WPQX Manager. It makes it possible to create welding procedure specifications and welding procedure qualification records and to manage the qualifications of welders. DVS Media has recently published the 2017 edition of the Aluminium Suppliers Directory. In the more than 40 years since it was first published, the directory has become the leading reference work for the aluminium industry and affiliated fields. The Aluminium Suppliers Directory extends across the entire process chain, from raw materials to finished products, and is unique in the depth of its comprehensive coverage. Its detailed breakdown of product segments according to specialized terminology guarantees a quick overview. It enables target-oriented navigation of the entire aluminium industry and related fields for manufacturers, dealers and potential customers. The guide also provides addresses, phone and email contacts and links to the websites of each listed company. This makes the search for brand names, alloys and special products a lot easier. The Aluminium Suppliers Directory can be ordered in the DVS Media online shop. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.